Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Have you ever found yourself completely overwhelmed by scattered data, messy spreadsheets, or endless email chains just trying to collect simple answers? Today, we are completely eliminating that frustrating chaos forever. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a professional Google form from scratch in minutes. Even if you have absolutely zero technical skills, you will be able to follow along effortlessly. We are covering everything from basic setup to customizing your design, adding multimedia, and sharing your form. Are you ready to streamline your workflow? Let us dive in right now together today. Before we build our incredible solution, let us examine the common nightmare most beginners face daily. You desperately need feedback from colleagues or customers, so you send out a massive group email. Suddenly, your inbox is flooded with unorganized replies, partial answers, and confusing formatting. Trying to piece together that broken data is a massive waste of your precious time and energy. It causes unnecessary stress and leads to critical mistakes. Google Forms magically solves this entire problem by organizing every single response into a clean, automated database. No more losing track of important details or digging through messy email threads. It is simple, efficient, and reliable. Let us start building our form right away. Open your favorite web browser and make sure you are securely logged into your personal Google account. Once you are properly signed in, look at the very top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click directly on the Google Apps grid icon right there. Excellent job! That simple action opens up a comprehensive menu revealing all the wonderful tools Google freely offers you. Take your time to gently scroll down through this list until you locate the purple icon labeled Forms and click it now. You are doing fantastic so far. This takes us to the dashboard. Welcome to the incredibly powerful Google Forms main dashboard environment. From this central location, you have the exciting option to choose from several amazing pre-made templates if you prefer. However, for complete creative control today, please click directly on the large plus icon labeled Blank Form. Great work! Your browser will instantly redirect you to a completely fresh, completely empty workspace where the real design magic finally begins. Take a deep breath and quickly observe the clean user interface presented before you. Everything is intentionally designed to be extremely intuitive, very accessible, and highly user-friendly for absolutely any beginner. We are now truly ready to design. Now that our blank canvas is ready, the very first crucial step is officially naming our brand new document. Go ahead and select the placeholder text at the top that currently reads Untitled Form and carefully type in your desired new title. I'm going to simply type Software Form for my specific project right now. Perfect! Did you know you can easily make this title stand out visually? Just select your newly typed text again and apply the bold formatting option to make the heading pop beautifully. A strong, clearly visible title immediately tells your valuable respondents exactly what your important survey is actually all about. Directly underneath your newly created bold title, you will discover a highly useful section specifically reserved for a form description. Click inside that particular designated area right now and smoothly type a brief, helpful explanation for your audience. For my specific example today, I'm going to clearly type of Adobe Apps so my users understand the exact context. Just like we successfully did with our main title earlier, you can highlight this description text and instantly apply elegant formatting, such as bolding or even a nice clean underline. Providing a well-formatted, descriptive introduction significantly improves the overall professional appearance of your entire data collection project. We are making absolutely fantastic progress already, and your new form is starting to look incredibly professional. If you're finding this step-by-step technical walkthrough genuinely helpful so far, please take just one quick second right now to smash that subscribe button below this video. Here at PC Error Detective, we are deeply committed to consistently bringing you the absolute best, easiest to understand tech tutorials every single week. Your amazing support truly helps our small channel grow rapidly and allows us to keep producing high-quality, totally free educational content just for you. Now let us jump right back into finishing our brilliant Google form. Is finally time to add our very first interactive question to the workspace. Click slightly below the description box where it clearly says Untitled Question and thoughtfully type out what you want to ask your participants. I will type Favorite Adobe App for my particular demonstration here. To make this question visually engaging, click on that small image icon located on the far right side. A convenient file browser instantly appears on your screen. Simply select Browse, choose an appropriate image from your computer files, and click Open to upload it. Adding relevant graphics makes your final survey look significantly more polished and extremely professional today. By default, Google Forms usually selects the short answer format automatically for any new questions you create initially. Let us change that right now. Click on the helpful drop-down arrow situated directly next to the short answer text on the right side. You will immediately notice a beautifully comprehensive list revealing numerous amazing answer formats, such as paragraph, checkboxes, and even linear scale ratings. For this specific tutorial, please firmly click on the multiple choice option from that expanded menu. This specific selection ensures your busy respondents can quickly and efficiently pick one single designated favorite answer from a highly organized list you provide them with easily. You will definitely see a small, incredibly important toggle switch labeled Required. Go ahead and click that precise switch right now to smoothly turn it on. This one simple, brilliant action guarantees that people absolutely cannot submit their finalized form without first answering this particular mandatory question. It completely eliminates frustratingly incomplete data submissions forever. Also, if you ever want to quickly create another brand new question, simply click on that convenient plus add question icon located floating beautifully on the far right menu bar. Your form is practically finishing itself now, working perfectly today. Before we officially publish, take a very quick look at the top center of your screen. You will clearly see three incredibly distinct tabs there labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. The Questions tab is exactly where we currently are designing everything. However, if you click directly on the Responses tab later, you will visually see all the submitted answers neatly organized in real time. Finally, the Settings tab safely houses advanced configurations for your entire project. Understanding how to navigate these three main tabs effortlessly ensures you always maintain total, uninterrupted control over your beautiful Google Form data collection journey every single time you log in today. We are finally ready for the ultimate step of sharing. Direct your eyes to the top right corner and click firmly on the large Publish button. A new panel instantly slides open right there. Look closely under the Responder View section and make absolutely sure you select the option stating anyone with the link. Next, carefully click on Done and then press Dismiss if no link immediately appears. Finally, click that small handy links icon at the very top right, press Publish once more, and confidently copy your brand new generated link. Your spectacular form is officially live now for the whole entire world to see today. Congratulations! You just successfully built, wonderfully customized, and officially published your very first Google form without needing a single drop of complicated technical experience whatsoever. You can proudly paste that copied link into any group chat, work email, or public social media post right away to seamlessly start collecting perfectly organized responses immediately. If you genuinely loved how simple, fast, and highly effective this detailed tutorial was today, please make sure you hit that like button down below. Do not forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more fantastic tech guides every week. Thank you so much for watching this video with me right now today.